The University of Alberta Dentistry Pharmacy building was built in 1922. It is undergoing an almost 2-year restoration project, which is adding on a 7-story wing on the north side. The original brick walls can be seen through the doors. Including some futuristic-looking lights. The hallways have been widened to make an easier passage to the other buildings, which is a godsend, especially in winter. Look at the outer wall. It was just starting to snow, and I couldn't stay long. I went back around to the front. The falling flakes added a sense of mystery to the building. The stairs at the front have a pleasant lighting under the railings. They also added some more accessible doors on either side of the main entrance. The lobby hasn't changed much, except for the flooring. We used to have this sort of pale green and black flooring in there. It looks quite nice with this arching roofs. The inner lobby looks much the same, with the arching ceilings and plasterwork depicting the rod of Asclepius, with the snake coiled around, the symbol of medicine, and the torch of knowledge surrounded by maple leaves, serving to remind aspiring students of dentistry and pharmacy to gain knowledge and help people. The curving walls of the theaters inside remind of the past alumni and foretell of the future students who will gain knowledge here. And this glass hallway used to be a dim hall full of offices and a quiet passage to other areas of the university. It's all gone now, just a fancy entranceway. As always, thanks for watching.